Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that scallop token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, scallop, a group of Web3 users with the spirit of Luffy have created a meme coin through an open and fair launch method. The original aspiration of the Luffy community is to gather a group of partners who will never yard and lead them search for one piece in the Web3 world. One piece token total supply is 100 billion and circulating supply is also 100 billion. One piece token is listed on PancakeSwap, V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.